Our travel to Japan is not complete pag dili ta makakaon ng authentic guys, takoyaki, diba? Okay, compare what's the taste. Kasi isa kay difference ng takoyaki sa dicey and with the pretty lady beside me. Okay, ready, get set, go.
Good.
There's a difference.
Oh.
In Japan, no vegetable, like,
No,
you cannot
inside,
taste the vegetables.
no, inside is octopus meron lang.
Ah, that's one.
Then-
It's octopus.
Octopus. Then, use the flour is, here they make flour.
That's why, because ang akong ginakaon sa Pilipinas, vegetable only.
Not vegetable.
But this is octopus.
Flour, mix the egg, then
Flour with
flour
egg.
with
Ah.
egg, then mix, then grill, then put in the octopus.
Lami.
Octopus day ang kuwanan.
Octopus, Japanese language is taco.
Ah,
Taco, yaki.
Ah.
Yaki is grill.
yeah.
Taco is octopus.
Okay. Yan.
But we there in Philippines, we revise it.
But
Vegetables inside.
not vegetable.
Hmm?
Sometimes put in the vegetable. Use shoga.
But all takoyaki in Japan have octopus inside.
yeah, because
Anywhere.
takoyaki.
Flour with egg.
With
Ah.
egg, then mix them. Grill, then put in the octopus.
Lami. Guys, trivia. Trivia. That is why takoyaki is called takoyaki from the root word taco.
Yes, taco.
Taco means octopus. So
Yeah.
why in the Philippines no octopus?
Yaki is means grilled.
Dapat
Yeah, grilled.
dili siya tawagon og takoyaki. Yaki only. Yaki, no taco.
No.
Yaki beads. Beads yaki.
No taco. No taco in the Philippines.
Vegetable.
Only.
So,
Very nice information. Thank you.